Oh, look at this. Brave effort by Collingwood, but they're still down by 5 points. There's no way they can win this. And there's going to be a ball up. Gets knocked away to the wing. Oh, nice hands by Greenwood. To Ramsey, no longer on Collingwood's list. To Reid, no longer playing because he's always injured. To Sinclair, yeah, nice hospital ball. To Marley Williams, plays to North. To Treloar, he's bursting through the middle. And a huge kick to the goal square. Ho-ho! For Solo, plays for Montmorency now. Unfortunately, couldn't get the free kick there. And look at that for an obvious deliberate out of bounds. Could you get any more deliberate than that out of bounds right there? Okay, so Darcy Moore's got it, and he couldn't be more nervous, could he? So he goes the long bomb, and he centres it. There's no way they could win. There's a bunch of players there. Oh, Grundy! Is it Grundy? Oh, it's Grundy! Ho-ho-ho-ho! I wonder what Damien Hardwick's thinking. Oh, look, he probably feels like someone. He looks like someone just ate the end of his spring roll. Jeez, what a game! What a win by Collingwood.